Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the beeping sound on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. So that is going to be the beeping sound that you hear when you press any of the buttons on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. Now what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. Then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. So I'm going to go past the setting of time and date, past the 12-24 hour display, the date format. Then I have the chime. This is going to be the hourly beep or the hourly chime. I'm going to go past that. And the last thing that we have is going to be the beeping sound. If you leave it at off, as you can see right here, you can press either the stop/reset button or the start and split. And if you leave it at off and you want to end the process, you can press the set recall button once again. And now every time I press a button, you won't hear that beeping sound. If you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this Timex Ironman Triathlon, I'm going to leave a link right here on the top of the video and also in the description box below. So make sure to check that video out. You will be able to learn all the basic settings, also how to use the chrono, the timer and the alarm, so make sure to check it out. And also guys, if you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.